Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this class, I am going to discuss with you about next concept of sets, that is complement of a set. Complement of a set. What is complement of a set? Okay, we will see here. Let U be the universal set. Let U be the universal set which contains the elements from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And A be the subset of a universal set which contains the elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then complement of a set A. Complement of a set A with respect to universal set U is denoted by A dash. Complement of a set A with respect to universal set is given by A dash. A dash means this is complement of a set A, which means complement of a set A and A. Okay. Otherwise, some people also write it as A to the power C. Okay. These symbols are same. Now just use one of the A dash. So A dash. Then what is complement of set? This is nothing but universal set minus set A. So A dash equals to universal set minus set A. Then what is the set A dash? To find this one, subtract the elements of A from universal set. So what is set U? This contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minus set A minus 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So difference of the set will be already done. First you have to cancel the common elements. Cancel the common ones. 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 9, 9. Then write the elements of the first set. Elements of the first set. This equals to, what is this one? This is A dash. A dash equals to, what are the remaining elements in first set? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this set is called complement of a set A. This set, A dash equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this set is called complement of a set A. Okay. So this can be represented in the Venn diagram as, this is the universal set. A is the subset. So A contains the element 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So what are the remaining elements? So this is set U. U contains 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. 1 already there. Second 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is A complement? This can be represented in Venn diagram as this one. This reason is called A dash. This is this reason, not this reason. Except the elements of A. So here, symbolically, we write A dash as, symbolically, we write complement of set A as containing element X such that X belongs to U, X belongs to U, but X not belongs to A. So this is the definition of A dash. equals to what? Containing element X, that element must belong to universal set, but that element not belongs to set A. See the definition of a complement of a set. Let U be the universal set. Then what is universal set? What is universal set? The previous class alli nanu define ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. So universal set is the basic set which contains all the elements and all the subsets of a particular context If you consider set of real numbers is the universal set for natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rationals and irrational numbers. But this set is not the universal set for all the sets. If you consider one set of animals, if you consider set of animals, so for this set of animals here, so set of real numbers is not the universal set. So that's why universal set is the basic set which contains all the elements and all the subsets of a particular context. Ella set one day universal set iralla. Okay, so this may be vary from sets to sets. Okay, so here let U be the universal set and A be a subset of U, and A be a subset of U. Then the complement of a set A is set of all elements of U which are not the elements of A. Already an example here. Okay, then what is A dash? Which contains all the elements of universal set but not the elements of set A. Okay, not elements of set A. Symbolically we write A dash. What is A dash here? Complement of set A and A. To denote the complement of a set A with respect to U. With respect to complement of a set here to get that, first we need a universal set. Namge universal set idre maatra namu complement set helbodu, otherwise not. Okay, so here U is the universal set and A is a subset of U. Then A complement is means A dash. A dash is symbolically we write A dash equals to it contains element X such that these element belongs to universal set and this element not belongs to A. Okay, otherwise you can also write A dash equals to U difference A, U minus A. Okay, now really we can represent this A dash, A complement by Venn diagrams. So here rectangle denotes the universal set, circles denotes the subset of universal set. Okay, note in there. So here A is the subset of universal set. So ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ లో ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. This reason shaded reason is denotes the A dash complement of a set. A dash. So this reason denotes the complement of a set. Okay. So we see some properties of complement of set. First one, complement laws. In that first one, A union A dash goes to U one. So see here A dash is also a subset of U. Okay, here A is a subset of U. Universal set allene eradu set barata. So here rectangle is the universal set which contains A as well as A dash. Okay, if you combine these two, A union A dash, it gives the universal set only. I already an example of that. So here the example below. So U equals to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 over there. So what is A? A radically 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 8. What is A dash? A dash equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I'll solve it. So A ಯೂನಿಯನ್ A dash ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ A union A dash 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again it is universal set only. Again it is universal set only. This is first property. A union complement A complement ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you get universal set. Okay. The second one, A intersection A dash. A intersection A dash. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. So here intersection means common elements. So you check here. What are the common elements here? A intersection A dash. ಇಲ್ಲಿ odd numbers ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ even numbers. So no common elements. These two sets A and A complement are disjoint sets. Always keep it in mind. A and it's called A and A complement is always a disjoint set and its complement is always disjoint set. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ A dash ಬರಲ್ಲ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So no common elements. That's why A intersection A dash is null set. Second one, De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law are very important. Exams are ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So first one, A union B whole complement. A union B whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. ಇದು prove ಮಾಡೋದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Prove that A union B whole complement equal to A dash intersection B dash ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, ಇದು prove ಮಾಡೋಣ examples ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So note down this first law and second law. A intersection B dash. A intersection B whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. So this is the second property. Second law of De Morgan's. A intersection B whole dash equals to A dash union B dash. Third property. Law of double complement. Law of double complement. A dash whole dash equal to A. So we see here. So this is the A dash. Again A dash dash equals to what? What's the formula for A dash? U minus A. U minus A better. And then again A plus A dash ಇದೆ. A plus A dash ಇದೆ. So A dash dash ಇದೆ. What is this is equals to U minus A dash ಇದೆ. According to this formula. A dash equals to U minus A. Here A dash whole dash equals to what? This becomes A now. U minus A dash. So what is U? U will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus. What is A dash? A dash is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Subtract ಮಾಡಿ 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So what are the remaining elements? The remaining elements are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this equals what? This equals what? Set A only. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is set only. That's why A dash whole dash equals to the set A only. So this set, this property is called law of double complement. Law of double complement. A dash dash ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಸೆಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಟ್ ಏನ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Okay, note on this point. Next, fourth one, laws of empty set and universal set. Law of empty set and universal set. Then complement of null set. Complement of null set is always U only. Then how will you write this complement of null set? Complement of null set is null set the complement equals to the formula is there U minus null set. What is A dash? U minus A. Then complement of null set is formula U minus null set. So A place null set. So apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ null set means contain no elements. U minus no elements means what? U only. Is it right? That's why complement of a null set is what? Universal set only. And complement of universal set equal to null set. Complement of universal set equal to null set. You see here. What is complement of universal set? So this equals to u minus u only. A plus u is there. So a dash formula u minus a. So that's why u dash equals to u minus u. So u and u get cancelled. So remaining is null set only. So that's why complement of universal set is null set. Clear elements any other? So element cancel out elements in that left no elements. So that's why u complement is null set. Okay. Note down this. Next note point. If A is a subset of the universal set Q, if A is a subset of the universal set Q, then its complement A dash, A the complement A dash is also a subset of U. It's understood. Obviously, if A is the subset of universal set, then obviously its complement is also a subset of U. That is, A is the subset of U. It implies A dash is also a subset of U. Okay, so we'll see one example on complement of a set. Example, let U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and set A equal to 2, 3 and set B is 3, 4, 5. Find A dash, B dash, A dash intersection B dash and A union B. And hence show that A union B whole complement, A union B whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. This is what De Morgan's law. Already property learned De Morgan's law. So this is prove one. Okay. To prove this one, we need to find A dash, B dash, A dash intersection B dash and A union B. Okay, we will find first one A dash. Solution. So what is A dash? We know the formula U minus A. What is U? Set U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Operation is minus. Then set A is 2, 3. Cancel the common elements 2, 3, 2, 3. Then A dash equals to, what is A dash? Remaining elements are 1, 4, 5, 6. Next to B dash. B dash is formula U minus B. Here A and B are the subsets of universal set. Okay. Subset generally complement find out. What is B dash? B dash formula number. B dash formula U minus A. Okay. B dash क्या U minus B. So this equals to what is U? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus what is set B? 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Cancel the common elements. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay, what are the remaining elements? 1, 2, 6. So this is what? B dash. A dash, B dash. Next, what are to find? A dash intersection B dash. Next one. A dash intersection B dash equals to, already A dash was there. Find what is A dash and B dash. So what is A dash? A dash is 1, 4, 5, 6. Intersection. What is B dash? 1, 2, 6. Intersection means the common elements in both the sets. Every set of common elements I know 1, 1, then 6. So these are the common elements. Next, what we have to find? A union B. Next, A union B. What is set A? This is 2, 3. Operation is union. Union. Union is the set which contains all the elements of set A and all the elements of set B. Okay, write down elements of set A 2, 3, then elements of set B 3 already there, 4, 5. Next one quickly, and we have to show that A union B whole complement equal to. So for dash question 1, and next we have to find A union B whole complement. A union B whole complement. Now A union B whole complement equal to, what's the formula? U. Complementing formula is U. Then what's the set? A union B. Actually, I know A dash is formula. A dash equals what? U minus A. This set A is it now. So the complement make it the time. We subtract this set A from U. So similarly, nange bekagirado A union B whole complement. That's why you have to subtract this A union B from universal set. Universal set ali A union B set na remove ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. So what is set U? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus what is A union B? Here 2, 3, 4, 5. Cancel the common elements. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. So what are the remaining elements? In the first set, 1 and 6. Call it as equation 2. From 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. From equations 1 and 2. We have from 1 and 2. What is the answer in there? A intersection, A dash intersection B dash equals to 1, 6 is there. A union B whole complement equal to 1, 6. Both are same. You have to set same here. Illu elements 1, 6 is there. Illu elements 1, 6 is there. So that's why. Is there anything? A union B whole complement equal to A dash intersection B dash. Agata illo. Agata. But from equation 1 and 2 and ನೋಡಿ. So equation 1 elements ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ set ಏನು A dash intersection B dash ಇದೆ. So it containing elements 1, 6. Okay. Similarly here A union B whole complement, it also contains 1, 6. So they are the same. So that's why A union B whole dash equals to what? A dash intersection B dash. So this is called as De Morgan's law. So improvement. Okay. Note down this. Next example. Let U equal to A E I O U and set A equal to E U and set B equal to A O. Find A dash and B dash. A complement and B complement. Okay. See the solution. So what is A dash? We know the formula. U minus A. Write down set U. What is set universal set? A E I O U minus what is set A? U. Okay. Cancel the common elements. E E U U. So what are the remaining elements? A I O. So this is what A dash. So this can also be represented by hand diagrams as so this is U. This is subset of U A. So set A contains E and U. So what are the remaining elements? U already U E is there. So remaining elements are A I O. So this is A dash. The shared reason the A dash. So this is how we represent A complement by Venn diagrams. So Venn diagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ. Okay. Second one is B dash. Then what is B dash? B dash equal to U minus B. This is the formula. The second complement together, just you have to subtract that set from inverse set. That's right. What is inverse set? A, E, I, O, U minus. Set B is, what is set B? A and O. And so the common elements A, O, O. What are the remaining elements? E, I, U. So this is B dash. B complement. Draw the Venn diagram for this. Okay? Not done.